11 plus ideas to make YouTube videos without showing your face. Many people want to get started on YouTube and become a successful YouTuber. But many of them fear to show their face on YouTube videos. Creators drop the idea of starting a YouTube channel for their fear of being seen on videos in YouTube. Some creators are shy to be seen on YouTube, some people fear the possible judgment and shame they may have to bear from their friends and other people who know them, and some may have other problems to be seen. So in this video, I will be discussing about 11 ways you can create videos, without having to show your face. If you're new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the bell icon to notify you for upcoming videos. Can you make money on YouTube, without showing your face? This is the most common questions of creators, who want to get started on YouTube without showing their face. YouTube has become strict in the case of monetization, but if you are creating original content, then you can surely make money on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Use presentation slides. You can actually use presentation slides created with Microsoft PowerPoint, or Keynote and use them to create voiceover videos. You can also create slides with Google Slides, and later use them to create videos. These are actually ideal to create explanatory videos. With simple animations and designs, you can create professional-looking videos on YouTube. This YouTube channel uses presentation slides to create videos, and has over 122,000 subscribers. If you don't want to show your face and make videos on YouTube, then presentation-style videos can be a great way to get started. Number 2, create whiteboard animations. This is another great way to start a YouTube channel without facing in front of a camera. You can create amazing whiteboard animation videos, with softwares like VideoScribe, or Doodly, and can get started after watching some tutorials online. These types of videos are ideal if you are creating explanation videos. This YouTube channel uses whiteboard animation to create videos, and has over 16,000 plus subscribers. Number 3, screen recording videos. You must have seen tutorials on YouTube, where creators show how to do some stuffs online, by recording their computer, or their phone screen. You can also create such screen recording videos, and start a YouTube channel. There are lots of screen recording softwares available on the internet. This YouTube channel uses screen recording videos, and has over 9,000 plus subscribers. Number 4, create video animations. Another great video idea, without showing yourself on screen, can be creating video animation. If you are good at creating video animation, you can do it yourself, or hire someone from Fiverr or Freelancer to do the job for you. Video animation can be used in almost every niche. You can create entertainment videos, explanatory videos, or how-to tutorials with the use of it. Angry Prash started YouTube channel with an image that he created on MS Paint, and now he has 4 million plus subscribers. Number 5, product reviews and DIY videos. Well, this is another great idea to create videos, without your face presenting on screen. You can create a video reviewing a product, showing the product in your hands, or just showing the product. FunToys Collector Disney Toys Review is a YouTube channel that reviews toys without showing face, and has over 11 million subscribers. Also, unboxing products is another great way to create faceless videos. You just have to show your hands unboxing a product, from its box, and show what else comes inside the box. Unbox Therapy is an example of this, that uses unboxing to create videos. This channel has already 16.3 million subscribers. DIY videos is also another good niche to create awesome faceless videos on YouTube. 5 Minutes Crafts create videos related to DIYs and life hacks, and have over 65 million plus subscribers. Number 6, gaming videos. Gaming is one of the most successful niches on YouTube. Many successful YouTuber first started with game streaming and gameplay videos. Just show your gameplay records on the screen, and use a narration on the behind about your niche. This is a great way to engage your viewers. PewDiePie first started as a gamer, and is now became the YouTuber with the most number of subscribers, with 103 million. Number 7, Podcast. The main content on the podcast is mostly in its audio, so you can create podcast if you don't want to show your face in YouTube videos. Start a podcast channel on any topic you are interested in. You can use static image and record the entire audio and post it on YouTube. Spiked creates videos using podcast and have over 52,000 plus subscribers. Number 8, Stock footage. If you want to create awesome videos without you showing on screen, consider using stock footages available online. You can use stock images available for free from different websites, like Unsplash, and also free stock videos from sites, like Pixabay and Pexels. Insert voiceover on the images and stock videos, and with proper editing, you can create professional faceless YouTube videos. Stockfootage.com creates videos on YouTube by uploading over 1,000 of stock footages, and have 109,000 subscribers. Number 9, Music videos. If you create original music, and want to upload it to your channel, then you can do so without having to show your face. Either show just your hands playing guitar, or use your album cover, and play the song in background. Else you can create a lyric video for your song, and post it to your channel. Acoustic Trench makes videos by playing instruments without its face shown and got 1.68 million subscribers. Number 10, Cooking videos. If you want to start a cooking channel on YouTube, then you can also create videos of it, without showing your face. Show your ingredients, and focus your camera on the stove or oven, and show your viewers mixing and stirring stuffs with just your hand. You can create awesome cooking videos without your face being shown. There's a Nepali food channel, Yummy Food World, with over 563,000 subscribers, and they haven't shown their face in their videos. Number 11, Travel videos. Travel is one of the most popular category in YouTube. If you love traveling, then you can create travel videos even without showing yourself. Pick your camera, take the beautiful shots of places you visit, and create a beautiful video. You can also include drone shots if you want. Toya is one of the many channels out there that using travel videos without presenting their appearance on screen, and it has over 309,000 subscribers. Number 12, Share Facts videos. If you have interests in science, or history or any other niches, you can start a channel on sharing facts. This could be a great niche to create faceless videos, if you can do some research for it. You can use images or footage from stock websites or create your own doodles or slideshows for these types of videos. TopThink is a YouTube channel that shares facts videos and already have 1.18 million subscribers. Number 13, Toplist. This is a popular niche on YouTube, in which you can create videos without showing your face. All you have to do is find topics to create list videos, like top 10 places to spend your honeymoon, or 5 best movies to watch. Find relevant images, stock footage, or your own clips and record a voiceover, and publish them. Watch Mojo have tons of top lists you ever wanted to know. And it has 22.1 million subscribers. Number 14, Create time-lapse videos. You can create time-lapse videos of a place, or clouds moving on the sky. Turn your travel videos or vlogs into time-lapse and upload them. You can create time-lapse of anything you want. If you can create interesting videos, it is an easier niche to grow your subscribers as well. One of my best channels on YouTube, creating time-lapse videos, is Tempernaut Time-Lapse, and it has 958,000 subscribers. Final thoughts. I believe that, by not willing to show your face on your YouTube videos, should not stop you from being a next successful YouTuber. So I hope this list of creating faceless video ideas on YouTube will help you create your YouTube channel. I wish you all good luck to your YouTube journey. Thank you for watching.